How to remove the mirror off of a 2022, 2023, 2024 F-150. Super simple. All you need is a 10 mil ratchet or socket, either one. All right, so it's got this cover here. You're gonna have to pop that cover off. Pretty simple. You just get in there with your nails. A little wiggle wiggle. Do one clip here. Just need a flat screwdriver to push it down in there. Right here. One 10 mil, no, second 10 mil, third and fourth. So take those guys out. I always suggest doing 1, 2, 3, and then kind of jump on the running boards, hold it with your hand and take the other one out, or get someone else to hold it on the other side for you so it doesn't fall. Yeah, another simple tip to make you be able to wrap in further, easier, not have to work around the mirrors. Thanks for watching, guys.